In these times of the coronavirus, and also other times just generally when you're transiting through airports or arriving in different countries and people are handling your passports even with gloves, they get touched by so many people who are touching other passports when you're boarding, when you're going through security. People are always checking your passports and your tickets. So can you wash them with gel, alcohol gel or alcohol wipes? We've got two passports here, and one is Colombian, one is British, pre-Brexit, the maroon colour, pre-Brexit British, 2017, so it already had some wear. They're both made by different manufacturers, and so these manufacturers don't manufacture all of the passports in the world, but what we did was wipe them down with alcohol, and the results are that the shine was taken off the cases, taken off the covers, and they seem a bit less durable now, especially the British one, which is made by a different manufacturer. This one was already quite worn, so this is a brand new Colombian passport, and it's taken the finish off a bit. Coating is definitely not as good as it was, so it probably lost some protection, and it's aged it a little bit. You can do it, but I would not recommend doing it more than a handful of times if you ever have to do it, so it's not a long-term solution. The British one as well took more of a beating, finish is a lot more damaged, and we'll do some close-up shots so that you can see. So after doing this with the passports, I'd recommend using it only very few times, just as an emergency measure, and trying another solution with very mild soap or very mild concentration of gel or alcohol. So I hope this video has been useful for you. If it helped, give me a like. It helps me dedicate more time to producing videos to help you guys. Thanks for watching.